Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by launching Roblox and joining the game instance you'll modify. Once in, press F9 to open the developer console. Some keyboards use the backtick key instead. You should glance at your current sensitivity setting now so you can compare changes, write it down, or screenshot it. While the console is open, make sure you're in the Commands or Console tab where you can view and enter configuration lines. This is where you'll apply the first adjustments. Now you need to find the camera or input sensitivity key inside the console output or through the game's scripts. Use the console search to look for names like mouse sensitivity, camera sensitivity, or user input service references. Those are the hooks you'll change. If you don't see a direct value, open the Scripts tab and inspect local script sections that set camera behavior. Make sure you decide on numeric values like 0, 5, or 1, 2, so you can enter them. Once you've identified the variable, change it by entering the new numeric value in the console or editing the local script and saving the file. After applying the change, test your camera and mouse movement immediately, move the camera full range and check combat or building responsiveness. If it feels off, adjust in small increments such as 0, 1 until it's comfortable. If things break or nothing changes, revert to the original value you noted earlier and restart the game session as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.